Shenyang Institute of Sources Technology Development, and Shenyang EMT Piping Technology Company, Limited, are specialized manufacturers of products for corrosion monitoring and pipeline cleaning. Our rigorous and unwavering commitment to quality control over the years has made our PIG indicators listed as the sole Chinese brand products in the optional products in multiple CNOOC projects. As early as 2010, we began providing products for oil projects in the Asia, Africa and Latin America region. At present, our products have also been recognized by companies such as CCED, Oxy, Saudi Aramco, and Shell, and have become members of the Pig Products and Services Association, PPSA. Moving forward, we remain committed to perpetual self-improvement. We will provide superior quality products and advanced pigging solutions for industrial pipelines, striving tirelessly towards building EMT into an industry benchmark within the pipeline equipment industry.